All right, check it out. We just had a storm come through, lots of wind, a good bit of rain, and now the temperature is probably about 68 degrees. This is glorious. So this is going to be the last day at this campsite. Tomorrow, Amanda's going back to Phoenix. She's finally taken her van into the shop to get it fixed, so she'll be there about a week. I know she's been looking forward to getting that van fixed. And I'll be going into Flagstaff. It's going to be errands day, doing laundry, some shopping, things like that. And then after that, I think I might head up closer to the Grand Canyon. I know a place up there. It's about 20 miles north of Flagstaff that's really nice. I might have to put a hoodie on. It is that chilly. I love it. Oh, this cool weather just brought my energy back. So I'm going to start packing up probably around 5 o'clock this evening. I don't like to have to pack up a lot of stuff in the mornings. Let me tell you what I did. The last campsite, I drove off and left my cable lock and my lock and key for my e-bike. You believe that? But I have a spare key, and I had another padlock, but I don't have another cable lock. So tomorrow, which will be Monday, after I get through with laundry and getting groceries, I might drive back out to that previous campsite and see if my cable lock is still there. It's going to be out of the way, but I'd rather go get it mostly for the key to the e-bike. I don't want to be with just one key, you know. There's Winston. But I'm just glad I had that spare key. I mean, the only thing you need it for is to remove the battery from the frame. You don't need it to drive the bike. But I like to take the battery out of the bike to charge it. Man, that's some nice dark clouds. All right, so I'll catch up with you in the morning. All right, so it's the next day. I am at the laundromat. I'm finishing up laundry. The great thing about this laundromat is right next door to the Walmart. So when I put my clothes in the dryer, I set the time for like 40 minutes. That gives me plenty of time to run next door and, you know, do my shopping, get back to the van, load up the fridge, put my grocery items away, and I've only got like 10 minutes left on the dryer, and then we'll head on out, get some gas, and then out to the campsite. And here we are. I came back out here searching for my lost cable lock and my padlock and my e-bike key, and here it lays right where I drove off and forgot it. I had the bike locked to this tree, and there's the lock and the keys. So glad it's still here. Yeah, that was 4 days ago. I drove off and forgot that. Also, down the road a bit, there's another campsite. I drove off and left 3 of my orange cones. So I'm going to go down there later. I see that there's a tent there, but when the car gets back, I'm going to go down there and ask that camper if he saw my 3 orange cones, and hopefully he's picked them up and holding on to them for me. So I just got through making the bed. I've got fresh sheets on the bed. It's going to be a great night for sleeping. I love sleeping in fresh washed sheets. It's a little more crowded out here than last time I was here. My favorite spot is taken. And let's see, there's probably 3 campers across the road there. And then I've got one over here beside me. It's about 80 yards away. That's not too bad. Nice Class C. Very nice. Cell signal is not that great here, but I do have the WeBoost that I'll have to use periodically because the cell signal kind of comes and goes out here. But that's what I got it for. Let me spin around here and you can probably see my closest neighbor through the woods there. I think that is on a Mercedes chassis. Really nice Class C. I'll be taking an e-bike ride today because we've got a nice cloudy day. It's only going to be in the upper 80s, chance of rain. Oh, this is the Flagstaff I know and love. Love a good rainy day in Flagstaff. Keeps the dust down. But just a quick one today. Won't take up much of your time, but I appreciate you stopping by. Take care, be well, and smash the bell.